What is up, everybody? I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Again, here we have the cheapest slash most expensive slash salvage saddle slash previously broken slash now fixed E55 in the world. And as you guys know, this is by far my favorite car I've ever owned. I have to say that every video, but quick disclaimer before. That's a water park. I apologize for the noise and some music you might hear. Nothing I can do about it, but and there might be a little bit of wind just because we're kind of standing in this, I don't want to say a valley, but we're kind of between this building and then it's just kind of a straight shot from the mountain. So yeah, bear with me. But we have the E55 here, and in today's video, you probably already read the title, and yes, the E55 is leaving. Today is June 22nd. It's a Thursday. And I just had to shoot the video today. The car is disgusting. It's nasty. It's covered in bird poop. But I had to shoot it today because I don't know if it's leaving tomorrow early while I'm at work or Saturday. So I figured let me do it now just to be safe. But yes, the E55 is leaving. It's going to be gone for a little bit, probably like a week. And yeah, I know it's a little bit of clickbaity in the title. But no, the E55 is not leaving. I didn't sell the car. It's actually going to go get wrapped. So it is about time. I've been talking about this for I don't know how long at this point, but the car is getting wrapped at this point. And no, I'm not going to tell you guys what color it is in this video. I'd love to see all your guesses. Please let me know down below what you guys think. I don't know if I've mentioned the color before, but let me know down below what you guys think. I'll give you one hint. It's sort of a metallic-y, not really color. So I guess kind of go off that kind of shitty example. But yeah, so it's going to be a really cool looking color. I'm excited. The main reason for me deciding to go wrap, as you guys know, when I got into the accident with the car last year, it destroyed the front bumper, obviously. That's why there's no bumper on it. The bumper's at home. I've had the Souvenir E63 bumper since last October when I wrecked the car. But it's not painted. It's just regular, like flat black. It's primered and it's ready to go. I've been waiting on the car to get fixed. And now that I've finally made my mind up, I've decided to wrap it. I'm not going to paint the car because if I paint the bumper silver, it's still going to look off from the hood and this fender. And then as you guys can see, the two different colors, because you guys remember that really reputable shop that I had paint the car. Well, yeah, this is the original Brilliant Silver. This is Mako. So yeah, that was on my fault. I'll take full responsibility. I cheaped out on the paint job, but it is what it is. That's why I'm wrapping the car at this point. So it's going to look really good because I figured if I'm spending money to change or to at least put color on this car, I want to change the color. I'm kind of bored of the silver. It's cool, but I have two silver cars, this and my CLS. So CLS I'm not touching. It's not getting modified or anything. That's my daily. But this thing I want to change it a different color. So this thing is going to end up leaving, like I said, either tomorrow or Saturday. The vinyl is coming in tomorrow morning. So as soon as I get the call, the car's leaving. But yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait. The guy who's wrapping the car told me he said give him about a week and a half, just depending on how quickly he can get it done. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm super excited to get this thing finally wrapped and finally looking like a real car at this point. It's definitely gonna be a transformation. At that point, after it's wrapped, the only thing we really have left to do is, I already got the car in alignment, but Firestone didn't do a good alignment because it still veers to the left. As you guys can see, this wheel is straight, steering wheel is straight. And then if you look over here, this wheel is like sitting like that, sort of out. So yeah, it's not a very good alignment. I don't know what they did, but yeah, the car needs a realignment and it needs front tires because these tires are absolutely shot and they're pretty worn out because of the alignment that was screwed up before. So new tires, new alignment, and then the one thing we're missing, I think I'm going to get it this weekend at the junkyard, is that center console thing over there, or not the center console, but the dash thing for the vents and the AC vent controls, the plastic piece that goes around the surround. Apparently it's really hard to find one. Everybody on eBay is trying to sell me everything with the vents and the controls for like $150, and I'm not paying that because I have that stuff. So yeah, I'm just waiting on that. I think I'm gonna go to the junkyard Sunday. Hopefully it's still there. They just got a new E-Class from 2006, so hopefully we could get some goodies from there. But yeah, I'm really excited, you guys. This thing is finally coming close to being finished. As we all know, it's never really going to be finished, but it's getting there. So I am so excited for this color. I've been honestly gawking over this color. I've seen it on other cars, on other Mercedes. I have never seen it on a 211 car. So that's going to be a really really interesting thing. But yeah, I've seen it on other Mercedes. I've seen it on other cars. It's kind of a, I don't want to say a popular wrap color, but it is. And I'm super, super excited. It's going to be sick. It is going to be absolutely amazing. But yeah, you guys, let me know down below what you guys think. I hope you're all excited. Give me your guesses. I am excited to hear from all you guys what you think the color is. Some of you are going to guess it right away. If you guys know, if I've already told some of you, please don't say anything in the comments. I kind of want it to be a surprise for the next video. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys this update. I know it's a little bit of clickbaity because the title says the car's leaving, because it is. I mean, it really is leaving tomorrow or Saturday. Just not selling leaving. It's just going to somebody's place to get wrapped. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know your guesses down below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.